Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami heart bookmark. For this you'll need a rectangle piece of paper. So the first thing we're going to do is take this corner and we're going to fold it in like this. Next we're going to take this and we're going to fold it to that little pinch mark. Next, we're going to take this side and fold it to the other side. And we will crease about. Once we've done that, we will fold this to the center crease, creating a small triangle. And we will do the same thing on the other side, creating another triangle. Then we're going to fold this side into the center crease. And we will crease out. Then we'll take this other side and do the exact same thing. Once we've done that, we are going to take this side and fold it inwards. And we're going to do the same thing with this side. And we're going to crease about. And then the crease we made right here, we're just going to fold it back alongside. And we're going to make sure it's strong. Then we're going to open it up like this, fold this back, and take this corner and fold it to that tiny little line. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Now we will have the most trickiest part. So we're going to open this up, take this, and we're going to crease this little part and this part. If needed, you can fold this back again and crease harder, because this is going to need a lot of nice sharp creases. So first we're going to try creasing this one, then this one, then this and this. Now this is kind of pushable like that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Crease this line, then crease this line, and this line. And as you can see, they're now both really easy to push. Now you're going to push them down so they either come this way, but if that's easiest for you, do that first. But what we really want it to do is fold down like this. Make sure this comes out really good. Next, you're going to take this side and fold it back here. And you're going to take this and you're going to fold like this, creating a little triangle and another little triangle. Then you're going to take this and you're going to put it in like that. And this one, poke it, put it. Now go back here and just pull it down a little bit. If you want, you can take it down to this little line. And we're going to crease well. Now, as you can see, we already have one crease here. So we're going to keep that there. And we're going to also take this side and crease it diagonally to create our heart bookmark. And we're going to make sure all the creases are really well done. So it is all really good. Crease it and If you want, you can write some sort of message on it, like maybe "You rock." And then your heart bookmark is ready. Here are your origami paper heart bookmarks. And again, how to put these in: take a book, flip to a page. If you want to stop it right on this page, put it in like that, and you can close your book. And then look at the top, put your paper, and you can get back to that page. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and also share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.